Hi, it's Chris. In this video, we're going to show you how to remove and install the rinse agent dispenser plug on your Whirlpool dishwasher. So to remove and replace the dispenser plug, it's very easy and there's no tools required. Keep in mind if your machine needs to be repaired, it's usually simple enough to do it yourself. Visit PartSelect.com, enter your model number, and quickly find and order the part you need. So the reason why you might be looking at having to replace your rinse aid dispenser plug is, one, maybe it's been taken out and it's gotten lost, it fell into the machine, got damaged, or it's just starting to leak rinse agent out just by opening and closing the door. So of course, to remove the fill plug, it's just a matter of opening the door, giving it that quarter turn counterclockwise, and removing it from the dispenser. So reinstallation is just a matter of inserting the plug into the dispenser, giving it that quarter turn clockwise, and then you're all set to go. And it's just that easy to replace the fill plug on your rinse aid dispenser or your Whirlpool dishwasher.